Hello, my name is James Sederberg and I'm a CPA here at Elevation Tax, and I'm going to spend the next couple of minutes going over the instructions for the files that were sent to you via email. Before I start, I want to note that the email screenshots in this video are taken from Outlook, so if you have Gmail, Yahoo, or another email provider, the location of the attachments and design of the email will look different. Despite the difference, the process will still be the same. At a minimum, 2 files would have been sent to you. The maximum amount could vary. It is possible to have as many as 5, maybe even more files. Regardless of the amount, be sure to download and save each file to your computer. Since the returns were sent via email, we password protect each file. An email that contains the password will be sent to you right around the time the instruction email was sent. In order to open a file, you'll need to double-click on the attachment you wish to open. When clicked, you'll be prompted to enter the password. After entering the password, click OK and you'll then have access to the file. You can then save the file to your computer. I'll now go over each file you received. For sure, at least 2 files would have been sent to you, the client file and the federal tax file. The client file contains the federal return, supporting statements and schedules, and if applicable, any state returns. Use this file for your own review. If you encounter any inaccuracies, please notify us so we can make the correction. Do not sign and send the tax returns to the taxing authorities if a return is inaccurate. We will need to update the return and send you the new files. We recommend that you keep a copy of this file for your records. The federal tax file is the return you'll need to print, sign, and mail to the IRS. I want to go over 2 pages of this file, the instruction page and the signature page. The instruction page will be the very first page of the federal file. Here's where you'll find the due date, forms to be filed, address to mail the file, any payment or refund due, and the transaction method. The transaction method will give instructions of how to pay any balance due if you owe, how you will receive a refund if a refund is due to you, and notify you that no payment or refund is due if neither apply. If you want to pay by check or money order, a voucher should be included in this file. This is the second page of Form 1040. Here is where the taxpayer will need to sign and date. If this is a joint return, the spouse will need to sign and date here. The taxpayer is the individual who is listed first on the return. The spouse is listed second. In this example, John is the taxpayer and Mary is the spouse. When signed, be sure to mail all pages in the file to the address on the instruction page. One form you may receive is the state file. In this video, I'm going to use a California return as an example. Like the federal file, the state file will also have an instruction page on the first page. You will find the due date, forms to be filed, any payment or refund due, address to mail the file, and the transaction method. You will also need to sign the return before mailing. For the state of California, the taxpayer signs here. If you are filing a joint return, the spouse will sign here. Other states will have similar requirements. When signed, be sure to mail all pages in the file to the address on the instruction page. Another form that you may receive is an estimated tax payment voucher. Here is an example of a voucher. These are payments that are made for the current tax year. You can have federal estimated tax payments, such as the one shown here, or you could have state estimated tax payments vouchers included. There could be up to 4 vouchers, so pay close attention to each due date. The instructions for filing are listed here and the due date is listed here. If you are mailing payments, be sure to detach here and mail the voucher along with payment. If there are other forms that are part of your file that are not included in this video, those instructions will be located in the body of the email. These forms can possibly include local tax returns. Be sure to mail all pages of the required files. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.